GDragon experience. So recently I was at Konjion concert, aka GDragons. This is the first ever GD concert and overall K-pop concert I've been to. So in this GDragon experience video, I would like to tell you that Jiyoung made me cry, made me happy and motivated all at the same time. All started with buying the tickets. And I gotta tell you, this is the first time that I ever got pressured about buying tickets, because if you are not a part of the fan base or you don't have quick reaction time, you won't get the tickets. My best second choice was to buy the tickets from resellers. Nonetheless, the tickets were bought for a grand total of 1,700 USD including taxes. That's, by the way, 2 tickets. I bought them from Viagogo. Interesting fact as well, the concert was in Hong Kong and thus I needed a physical address for the tickets to be delivered, which I didn't have at the time, and I had to come up with a hotel. Huge credits to the Emperor Hotel, would recommend 4.5 out of 5. In the past, I've been to a lot of concerts when I lived in Prague, Czech Republic, and was even younger. Every second salary would go into the concert or festival. I've seen big names such as T.O.P., 21 Pilots, Billie Eilish, Bon Jovi, Linkin Park, Paramore, Imagine Dragons, and more. I'm sorry to the artists I named, but GDragon beat you all. GD's concert was on a level that is above T.O.P., 21 Pilots. I don't know how he managed to do that, but he did. As I said, the concert was taking place in Hong Kong, and I would like to talk about Hong Kong. GD came to Hong Kong for a whole 3 days. Our day was day 2. Me and my fiancée Jane Red came to Hong Kong a day earlier and left 1 day after the concert. So we had more time in the city. And guys, I am incredibly honored to be in the city that loves GDragon. Billboards, big screens, trams, even boats were promoting his arrival. And not only the fact that he is coming to the city, but that he's back. For real. I would like to emphasize that. Also, certain places, even areas of the city, promoted his birthday, which was on 18th of August, and I thought that was very cute. And by the way, GD, if you're watching this video, I did say happy birthday to you during the concert, and again, I hope you had a great night that day and you had an amazing year. Back to the concert. The concert took place at the Asia World Arena. And before even getting there, I thought this is gonna be an open hall, like it was for me in the past concerts. And mind you, it was plus 37 degrees Celsius at the time of the concert day. Thankfully, the Asia World Arena provided indoor concert hall. When we arrived to the place, firstly it was enormous, so many fans, the people, so beautiful, so rich, so diverse, such a great vibe. I got overdosed by the beauty and the style of Asian aesthetic until my next visit to Asia. Me and Jane also invested in nice looks, and here are just a few pics we took with the phone. Just before I continue with the actual performance of GDragon, I would like to say that the concert hall that he chose for the event I visited was so perfect. I didn't manage to snag the best tickets, and I thought I would sit all the way at the back. But with the size of the hall, I had perfect seats, and me and Jane even had exclusive seats. And we sat separately from everyone on the side. The concert. I don't know how, but GDragon is one of the best artists I now fascinated the most by. His intro and first appearance on stage lives in my head rent-free. It started all with random visuals, random in parentheses, that represented his growth, at least that's how I interpreted, his evolving with occasional motivating phrases on screen, and all culminated in his appearance, in his signature rose jacket, under the sparks of fire, and with the first song being Power. I cried. The thing is that this power was not the power I heard before. This time it was on another level. Song power I heard live was not K-pop. It was powerful symphonic K-rock-esque. I cried. It was very powerful. For me, this first song, this first moment of seeing and hearing GD live made me his fan. I, in the long time, experienced my heart racing for music. It felt that every second for 3 minutes straight had no opportunity to normally breathe because of how mesmerizing this was, this whole experience. And for real, for 3 minutes straight, my eyes were tearing up and I didn't want to stop them. I like returning to that moment through memories and videos. Song after song represented himself. Every outfit he wore represented this song and meaning behind it. The stage changed multiple times. GD flew, GD jumped, GD sang, GD walked the stairs of heaven even. Production of the whole event was immense and I thought T.O.P., 21 Pilots, were on another level with Tyler flying and appearing at different spots of the concert hall, but no. GDragon managed to overcome their production with the stage being fully customized and he had so many tools in hand. And as this was K-pop concert, the camera work was on another level too. The cameraman gets paid well to capture the best sides of GD and even drone was flying and showing the love from Kwon Ji-young. Just see for yourself. Return of BigBang, return of Top. I'm so happy that we got a conversation about the BigBang. And even when the conversation started, whole audience started singing the part from their song. And even GD himself sang it. Not too long, but I felt a VIP presence because I haven't seen anyone pause the part like me. So this is an exclusive footage. Enjoy.
I told you really hard. It's like repeat and repeat and repeat.
Lightsticks. This is the first time I've been on a concert where people don't use lighters or phone lighters to wave. Lightsticks is an invention of GDragon, by the way. And this is an invention of the future. We got lucky to get one of the Daisy Lightsticks, and this tech is crazy. First of all, it has multiple options of being a light stick. It can be just white, colorful, it can have effects when you shake it, but during the concert, all light sticks, around like 12,000 of them, are connected to the main hub, which makes these light sticks light up at any moment they need. Here are some examples. Here they are all red, even though I can't get them light up red by myself. Here they are all blue. When GD was talking about BigBang, they were all yellow. Like, this is such a vibe. I've seen Lightsticks before, but I never was fascinated by them, but now I am. And this is too cool. I wish I could talk forever about JD, and I wish I could return to the concert, but next time I see JD will be in his return in BigBang. Lastly, I want to say that if you are a fan of JD, you must visit his concert, even if it costs a month or even 2 months of salary. GDragon is a manipulative conductor, and he controlled the concert hall. He made sure that the fire was spitting on beat. He made sure to come out only when fans were screaming out their lungs, Kwon Ji-young, Kwon Ji-young. He made sure to remind us how day one was better than us.
Last night was nothing. They didn't try anything. I thought it was good though. Anyway, last night was really fun, but you guys, we just get started, but I don't know.
But at the very end was happy how we supported him. He's not just an artist, he's not just a singer, he's a maestro. He gave his energy to every single person on that day, and it was wonderful. Thank you, GDragon. Ah, you thought it was the end? Nope. In this credits part of the video, I would like to show what we got at the concert, aka merch. And I would like to also say that GD rented out a whole concert hall on another side of Asia World Arena for just his merchandise. Even though we came early, still the things I personally wanted were sold out. But here's GD concert merchandise haul that we got. This is our GDragon shopping haul. Oh my god, so many things. Okay, this thing is something I got for myself, even though Jane took it away because she wants it. They didn't have anything from what I wanted, so this is like the not the best. Ah, be careful. Yeah, this is the Lightsticks. Can you show the working state? Oof, that's great. Okay, yeah. Yeah, you see so many different modes. It's insane. Yeah, even has this gesture animation, which is really cool. Yeah, and the last one. Yeah, so she shakes it and it starts to becoming brighter. Yeah, light stick. Then we have tissues. This is one from one of the cafes in Hong Kong. They gave it for free after purchasing. And this is from the cafe as well. This is from the concert they gave out at the entrance. The stickers from Zoa pop-up store. From the shop, cafe. This is from the concert. As you can see, this huge thing is a shirt. We're not gonna open it, but like this is the back of the shirt. High quality, by the way. And what else do we have? This is a fur coat for a bottom of the cup for the light stick. We accidentally took the wrong thing, but Jane likes it, I guess. This is Zoa ceramic plate. Then we got this huge poster from the cafe as well. We had to tag the cafe to get this one for free. And last but not least, we got our tickets from the GD concert. Beautiful, beautiful. As you can see, the price is 1,000 Hong Kong dollars, and we got it for 1,700 US dollars. Is this all? Mm-hmm. The end.